Hello everyone, have a good day. And this video clip is so amazing. This is my memory, another memory and a story. And that mountain that we are heading is that's the Tonawas Island. We're going there to join the graduation. Wow, I'm so excited. And of course with me here from education people, Mr. Repo is now representing the school to join the graduation, and I'm excited. Shout out, so amazing, beautiful weather today. Look at the clouds, and that's stratus maybe, and you can see the island, so beautiful, the ocean. The sea water now is so calm. My goodness, I thank God for this privilege and opportunity. Thank you very much again, education people, with the leadership of director, deputy, staff, all of you there, education. Thank you very much for allowing me to join and to go with you today. Wow, look at that, amazing. I'm using this 360 camera X3. Yeah, it's for record, making a story, and I do believe that history will help us, of course not only for us but for our next generation. And that's our captain right there. Brave man. Yeah, so cool, interesting, beautiful day, not bumpy. And that was really a timing day. And that when you look at the back part there, that's the Weno, the capital, the town of Chuk, Weno. And we're now heading to SNHS Tonawas graduation, Southern Tonawas graduation. And if you can see this, principal of Tonawas, yeah, just enjoy. And to all viewers and tourists that planning to visit Chuk, this is the way to Tonawas. So from Weno, takes, we'll see how many minutes from Weno to Tonawas. Yeah, Tonawas is I think the closest from Weno and Fifth Island. Yeah, we experience teaching at Central Warning. That's in Faichuk. So it takes 1 hour or more than 1 hour to get there. Interesting, like during rainy season or bad weather, you will really experience terrible, tremendous waves, big waves. So again, it's not our topic today. Our topic today is just to get to reach SNSHS Southern Nomonias. We'll see, and what I want to experience also that place. This is my first time. That's why I'm thanking education, and of course to my boss, Principal PS, Vice Miss Uwen Lucas, and Vice Sister Mori Asor, giving me this privilege opportunity to visit. They're so kind. Teamwork at Chuk High School. They're not yes, since 20 we started creating story of Chuk High School. So when you look at our channel, Chuk High channel, you can see the story of Chuk High School, activities, graduation, etc. And now we are here. So they want us also to create a story. Yes, they have story, but like first hand creating story of this Southern Nomonias Tanoa's graduation. Yeah, amazing people, amazing students. They were the champion of 2024 track and field. Wow. And today is we will see and witness their graduation. Enjoy watching, guys, and now we are here. This is the portion of where to dock your boat, and this part here is very close to the school. Let's see. I'm excited. Wow, thank you very much. Look at the assistant sailor. Oh. Wow, look at the clouds, the heaven. So beautiful, wonderful. And here, thank you very much, sir. And here we go. I'm excited. So that's them. Yeah, 4 of us. Here we go. Actually, this one is I'm viewing, featuring after the graduation. So for the whole or full video, you can watch to my channel. Separate video, full video for Tanoas. And here is I'm just giving you the view after graduation, and of course sailing from Weno, coming here at Southern Nomonias Tanoas High School. So this is it. Yeah, so enjoy watching, enjoying. We're happy, so happy. Shout out also to Nursing, right? Yeah, I thought that was only a scam. So I was so amazed when she surprised her son. Then I noticed the face of her son always looking at his left side, checking. So I was wondering, not knowing that he was waiting for his mom. So amazing. So you can see it on Reels, Facebook. Just perfect. That's how I understood the situation. So she surprised her son. Yeah, amazing. Congratulations. class of 2024. And that's your school principal. Shout out and to my friend, two coaches at the same time, the MC of this graduation. Shout out my friend. Yeah, last time he was sharing to me about how he trained the kids why with a strong stamina, and after the graduation we went back to Weno. Still nice and beautiful weather, still calm. Oh my goodness, look at my companions, one of the people. That's the report. Shout out to my friend here, the security of education, and of course the captain here in the back. You can see the beautiful current. Our boat is so fast, engine 85 horsepower. Oh, so fast, man. And yeah, thank you very much, and of course we thank God for the opportunity. Kirisut Sabor to all, to my friends mainland, thank you for always there. Yup, so this is it. Woo, beautiful clouds in the sky. Yup, fucking mayats rananin ang medicine. So again, thank you very much. You can share this video. That's it.